أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول
تمارين. ما اسم الطالب الجديد؟ أجب عن الأسئلة الآتية. Answer the following questions. ما اسم الطالب الجديد? What is new student's name? اسمه همايون. His name is Humayun. أين كانت العقرب? Where was the scorpion? كانت was. Where was the scorpion? كانت تحت مكتب هشام. It was under Hisham's table. من الذي قتلها؟ من الذي من الذي من الذي من الذي من الذي قتلها؟ Who is the one who killed it? Who is the one who killed it? قتلها هشام. Hisham killed it. بما قتلها? With what he killed it? قتلها بهدايه. He killed it with his shoe. هدا shoe. أي سورة حفظ علي? Which surah Ali memorized? Did Ali memorize? حفظ سورة العلق. He memorized Surah Alaq. صحح ما يلي. Correct the following. قال المدرس لعلي. The teacher said to Ali, اقتل الأقرب. اقتل الأقرب. When the command, which usually its end is sukun, if it is singular, so in that case when it precedes the hamza wasal of the following word, to avoid iltikau sakinain, to avoid the meeting of two sukuns policy, uktul, it becomes maksur. The kasra is given. Uktulil akraba. You have to read it as uktulil akraba. Uktulil akraba. Uktulil akraba. Kill the scorpion. قال المدرس لهشام افتح. Here the mistake is actually قال المدرس لعلي قال المدرس لهشام. It is the actual one, and again the rule I explained further. قال المدرس لهشام. The teacher said to Hisham, افتح النوافذ. افتح النوافذ. افتح النوافذ. قال المدرس لعبد الله. It is actually to Abdullah the teacher said. قال المدرس لعبد الله. قال المدرس لهمايون. The teacher said to Humayun, اذهب إلى الحمام واغسل يديك. The teacher said to Humayun, go to the bathroom and wash your two hands. يديك. قال المدرس لأبي بكر. It's actually, it was not Humayun, it was Abu Bakr, to whom the teacher said. And also, idhab ilal hammami waghsil wajhaka. The teacher has to wash his face, not his two hands. قال المدرس لعلي. The teacher said to Ali, يحفظ سورة النبأ. memorize سورة نبأ. قال المدرس لعلي يحفظ سورة التين. memorize سورة تين. صحي معي تأمل. أبو بكر if it comes after arfujar li Abi Bakrin. Waw will become ya li Abi Bakrin. Iqra ma'ili. In this chapter actually we are here we are going to study the derivation of Amr from Mudari. Remember always Amr, that is imperative verb, is derived from Mudari, especially from the second person. Taktubu means you one man is writing or will write. Here you have to remove the arful mudara first and then you have to put sukun. You have to remove the dhamma of the last alphabet of Amr. Taktub, you have to remove this dhamma. Then you have to check the ayn kalima. What is ayn kalima? In the case of fa'ala, ayn kalima is in the middle. The same way fa, ayn, lam. Here the ayn kalima is ta, fa kalima is kaf, lam kalima is ba. So you have to check the ayn kalima only. Fa, ayn, lam. Check the ayn kalima. Here it is dhamma, that is madmum. Dhamma is there. So you have to know that based on the ayn kalima's vowel sign, you have to derive the Amr from Muzari. See, this ayn kalima should be checked always. If it is dhamma on Hamza wasal, you should put dhamma. Uktub, you have to do like this. Uktub means write. Uktub, right. Check this. And apart from that, if it is kesra or if it is fataha, then no worry, only e. Only for dhamma, dhamma. For other two vowel signs, it will start only with e. So since it is mazmum, dhamma, in the ayn kalima, we have to start with dhamma. Uktub. Uktub means the same way. Nasara yansuru, unsur, help. Kataba yaktubu, uktub, write. The same way. Anta tadkhulu. Tadkhul, udkhul. Now iqra ma'ali. Ukhruj min al-fasli ya Bashir. Kharaja yakhruju ukhruj. Kharaja yakhruju ukhruj. Leave the class, O Bashir. Ukhruj. Kharaja yakhruju ukhruj. Min al-fasli ya Bashir. Get out from the class, O Bashir. Uktub darsaka ya Ali. Write your lesson, O Ali. Uktub. Kataba yaktubu uktub. Kataba yaktubu uktub. Ya Ali. Uktub darsaka. Write down your lesson, O Ali. Usjud lillahi. Prostrate to Allah. Do sajda to Allah. Usjud lillahi. Undur ila dhakal jabali. Look at that mountain. Undur ila dhakal jabali. Look at that mountain. Undur ila dhakal jabali. Nadhara yandur undur. Nadhara yanduru undur. Means look. Undur. Qatala yaqtulu uqtul. Kill this snake, O my uncle. Qatala yaqtulu uqtul. Qatala yaqtulu uqtul. Kill. Udkhul ya Hamidu. Hamid is singular. So udkhul ya Hamidu. Get in, O Hamid. Ushkur rabbaka. Thank your Lord. Thank your Lord. Ushkur rabbaka. Uskut ya waladu. O boy, shut up. Uskut means sakata yaskutu, keep silent. Uskut ya walad. Uknus adihil gurfata. Sweep this room. From this miknasa, broom.
والنعمة لك والملك لا